In this video, we'll begin designing an idea scale campaign. You need to be a global administrator or campaign administrator in order to access community settings. Community settings can be found in the top right by your profile. Go to Community Settings and on the bottom left, find Campaigns. Click on Manage Campaigns. Here you will find your campaigns. On the top right, go to Add a new campaign. This opens up the Idea Scale Campaign Builder. We will focus on basic information in this video. Here you can provide a campaign title, and you have the option to provide an additional campaign subtitle. The Question Challenge Statement section is where you can provide a statement or question to the crowd that solicits idea submissions or solutions that address your campaign's challenge statement. Below the challenge statement is an area called Instruction for Idea Submit Form. This area provides an opportunity to provide additional guidance to your crowd. It can be found on the top of the idea submission form. Finally, your campaign can be part of a campaign group or a category of similar campaigns that may belong to an innovation goal, location, or department.